Hello everyone. If you've ever experienced the frustration of missing text messages from a specific contact on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 7 effective ways to recover those lost messages. First up, it could be that you've accidentally blocked the contact. To check this, go to Settings, Messages, Blocked Contacts. Make sure the person whose messages are missing isn't on this list. Next, try toggling the message and messaging options off and on again. Go to Settings, Messages, turn off these features, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. This can often resolve syncing issues. Thirdly, check your message retention settings. In Settings, Messages, look for Keep Messages and select the maximum duration, like forever, to ensure your messages aren't being automatically deleted. For the fourth method, try enabling and then disabling airplane mode. This simple trick can sometimes re-establish connections and restore missing messages. Fifth, ensure that Filter Unknown Senders is turned off in Settings, Messages to prevent messages from being filtered out. For a quick fix, simply restart your iPhone. And finally, if all else fails, Mobikin Doctor for iOS is your go-to solution. It's a powerful tool that can recover deleted messages directly from your device without backup. Launch the software first, then connect your iPhone to your PC with a USB cable. Select Recover from iOS device, choose Messages and click Start Scan to begin the scanning process. Pay attention to the unlock prompt that appears on the phone screen. Enter your password promptly to unlock. After the scan is complete, review the scanned messages and select the ones you want to recover. Click Recover to Computer to save your recovered messages. Thanks for watching.